Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to the my channel. As we discuss the Asian biometric voting in the first tutorial, so in the next tutorial here we will discuss about the fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner, in which fingerprint scanner involved AD converter, flash ROM, DSP chip, and at the last USB chip. We will discuss here. So in the fingerprint sensor, this is used to scan the thumb impression, the data obtained from this analog in nature. This is transformed to the AD converter for the further processing. मतलब इसमें क्या होता है कि ये फिंगरप्रिंट जैसे ही कि आप एक फिंगरप्रिंट डाल रहे हैं, थंब इम्प्रेशन अपना डाल रहे हैं, तो वो डेटा जो हमारी होती है वो कैप्चर होती है एनालॉग नेचर में। फिर वो एनालॉग जो है, हमें तो डिजिटल में डेटा टाइप चाहिए, तो उस एनालॉग को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमने एक एडी कन्वर्टर लगाया होता है फॉर फर्दर प्रोसेसिंग, जिसमें एनालॉग डेटा कन्वर्टेड इनटू द डिजिटल। सो इन द सेकंड एंड एडी कन्वर्टर, अब उसमें क्या होता है, लेट्स सी, this is used to convert the analog data from the sensor into the digital data and transfer into it to the processor। मतलब जैसे ही आपने अपना थंब इम्प्रेशन डाला, वो डेटा हमारी एनालॉग ट्रांसफर हो गई डिजिटल में, एंड आफ्टर दैट फ्लैश रोम। This is for the storage of the data temporarily in the DSP processor. This will work until the data is transformed to the main memory of the host। अब फ्लैश रोम क्या होता है, इट इज यूज्ड फॉर द स्टोरेज ऑफ द डेटा, मतलब किसी भी डेटा को सेव करने के लिए ये एक टेम्पररी डीएसपी प्रोसेसर होता है, जिसमें डेटा फॉर शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए सेव हो जाती है, फिर वो हम जब यूज करते हैं फॉर फर्दर प्रोसेसिंग उसको हम निकाल लेते हैं, तब तक वो डेटा उसमें सेव रहती है। And after that, DSP chip, this is used to receive the data and process it. This is connected to the USB port for further transfer of the data. And at the last, USB port. The sole purpose of the USB port is to establish a communication link between the DSP processor and the memory, which is counted as the database. Here is the extraction of the thumb. As you see, this is the diagram of the extraction of the thumb, जिसमें आप लोग देख सकते हैं हमने एक फिंगर इनपुट डाला, फिर वो फिंगरप्रिंट की डेटा जो हमें हमें एनालॉग में मिलेगी, हमें एनालॉग को कन्वर्ट करना है डिजिटल में। फॉर दिस पर्पस वी हैव टू यूज द एडी कन्वर्टर। सो एडी कन्वर्टर में से हमारा जो डेटा फर्दर प्रोसेस के लिए डीएसपी चिप में हो गई, जहाँ पे फॉर टेम्पररी पर्पस फॉर शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम द डेटा हैव टू बी सेव्ड। फिर उसके बाद हमें अगर फॉर फॉर फर्दर प्रोसेस के लिए डेटा चाहिए, तो हम इसको फॉर फर्दर वी हैव टू ट्रांसमिट टू द ट्रांसमीटर एंड we have get the output। So moving toward the next, here's the formation of the networks. The mechanics of voting present in a town are interlinked is a profoundly secure lane. This system is framed with the assistance of the phone lines. All the information gathered in the voting framework is first put away in the voting machine itself. So here is the biometric techniques, in which it involves the identification and verification in with the fingerprint scan and the face recognition, retina scan, iris scan, and at the last verification only, in which involve the hand geometry, keystroke dynamics, mouse dynamics, gate dynamics, voice print, and signature. We will discuss one by one. So scanning and processing fingerprint. So fingerprint scanner scan the thumb impression. It captures the digital image or live scan. And in the facial scan, uses of the chef camera to measure the following facial features: distance between the eye, distance between the eyes and nose ridge, and the facial temperatures. Retina scan, blood vessel patterns, vein patterns, and hand geometry scan, most widely used technique for the physical access in hand geometry. Iris scan, it measures the ridges, frows, and freckles, such like his wrinkles. So verification, in which the keystroke dynamics involved used in system with keyboard. Gate dynamics, particularly studied, it may enable identification at distance. Mouse dynamics, System wake up, move and click, highlight are involved. And in the voice print, it chooses users talks to a microphone, a passphrase, and palm vein recognition. Near infrared light detect an iron containing pigment in hemoglobin. So applications of the biometric system. In application of the biometric system, criminal identification involved, internet banking, attendance system, airport security, bank security, PC login security, prevent unauthorized access to private data. Advantages of the HSN for biometric voting system. The system is highly reliable and secure. In the long run, the maintenance cost is very less when compared to the present. Illegal practices like rigging an election can be checked for. It is possible to get instantaneous results and with high accuracy. And disadvantages. In which involved, environment and usage can affect measurement. Systems are not 100% accurate, require integration or additional hardware, cannot be raised once compromised. Needs for biometric system. It has always been an arduous task for the Election Commission to conduct free and fair polls in our country. Nowadays, it has become common for some forces to indulge in rigging, which may eventually lead to a result contrary to the actual verdict given by the people. So, there is a need for a new voting system employing biometric in order to avoid rigging and to enhance the accuracy and speed of the process. Here are the references of my presentation. So, thank you for keep patience and stay tuned, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.